All right, so today we are looking at equations with rational exponents, and they're actually not just rational exponents. Some of them are in radical form. So you'll see like number 10 down here still has the cube root of a. So any of these equations where we have any of these fractional exponents or roots, we're going to figure out how to solve those today. So the very first thing you're going to do is you are going to get whatever is being raised to a power or the radical, if it's a radical problem, by itself. So, get whatever is being raised to a power, or if it's a radical problem, get the radical by itself. That's step one. So, most of these already have that done until you hit one like number 9, for example. Oh, sorry. I moved it too quick. I know some of you. Let me let you finish writing, and then we'll look at number 9. Okay, so if I just sneak down to number 9 real quick, see how the thing being raised to an exponent, the x, is not by itself. I also have this 3 here. So step 1 would be to minus 3 from both sides. Okay, similarly, if I look back at number 8, for example, here, the radical is not by itself. There's this plus 5 over here. So the first thing I would do is minus 5 to the other side. Okay, so the radical or the thing being raised to the exponent has to be by itself on one side of the equation. Okay, once I do that, so let's just look at number 3, for example, because that's already done. The thing being raised to the exponent is already by itself. I want to solve for a, right? I want to figure out what a is. So how do I undo raising something to the 3/2 power? Well, that's how I would undo something that's being squared, right? If I have a squared, to get a, I take the square root, right? You're so on the right track. No, the reciprocal's right. But I'm not going to multiply, well, I am. Basically what I need to do is I need to raise both sides to the reciprocal power. Because watch this. When I do that on number 3, for example, right? If I raise a now to the reciprocal power, so right now it's halves, I want to raise it to the 2/3 power. What do you do? And so I have the same thing over here. So I take 729 and raise it to the 2/3 power. Look back at this a. What do you do when you raise a power to a power? You multiply. And what do we get when I multiply 3/2 to 2/3? So I end up just getting a to the first. Do you see that? So now on the right hand side, I do just have a. And then on the left, all I have to do is compute that. So how do I do 729 to the 2/3 power? Do you remember from yesterday? Right, so this really becomes the cube root of 729, and then I square the answer. So whatever that number is the answer. So if I had my roots right in front of me, I could easily tell you what the cube root of 729 is, but I don't. Yes, I do. Hopefully it's yeah, 9. 9 is the cube root. 729, and 9 squared gives me 81. Okay, so we need to put that into list and steps. How do you do that? So, yeah, you're going to raise both sides to the reciprocal power. then just solve there. Solve. I say solve and check. You show it your answer. Well, so I checked really quick. My answer is 81. I just have to figure out what 81 to the 3 is. That means the square root of 81 cubed. The square root of 81 is 9, and 9 cubed is 79. So I did it. Yes. Oh, try number 4. What that you want to do? Yeah, number 4, so number 1. What is rate power or brackets? 1. So right. So I need you to resolve fast reciprocal power. And so and get it. 4. My different answer. Good. First right. So again, I'm just going to it's 131. Step 2. Need to reuse the 2/3 power. What did I do once I had the one left? Just solve a the 2/3. That means the cube of 8 2 squared 4. And then connect the answer 4 to the 3rd. That's the square root of 2. Means our square root of 4, which is 2 cubed. Yep, that's it. Okay, maybe what about these Reddit problems? Number 8. The heck are we supposed to do that? But I'm glad you asked. Step 1. Get whatever is the English power or the Ricobasa. Step 1. Inside this you got. Alright, here. You do now. No. Yeah. Half screw. I don't want squared anymore. I need to square by. But you have to be careful. When you square the inside, what do you get? Yes, 11 is when you square screwed cancel. When you square the left hand side, you get full base. So long and answer x squared minus 25 x 25. That's wrong. You can do that. You have to square this, but no. You have to want to write it down and do x 5 as here. But you need to get right. It's x squared minus 10x plus 25. You have to be careful. Alright, so you get to avoid fall. And then I see solid how I said. Before I do that, I need to. Yeah, well, the equals. It's a quadratic as an x turn. I want the equals just minus x minus 7 x squared minus 11x plus 10. And hopefully we can factor it if we get the answer. Yes, right. X minus 9, x minus 2. My answer should be plus 9 and 2. But you have to check it because you cannot look at the solution. But that one got me right back. So just put it. It's not equal to -6 plus 5. Yeah, not good. Let's do is equal to 3 plus 5. Oh, I put 2 plus 9 square minus 3. 2 extremes network. Oh, you have to check. When you guys go to those that I have my fish maker. Near give you voice say 9 and 2. Voice C just 9. For the image 2. And D is only right. Tell you darling it's okay. Got 9 something 30. That ain't work 'cause you did not hear the answer B. But for the all that math and get wrong. And it's beautiful. She's so right there. Watch. Okay, let's try and through it. First thing I do is yeah, it's one thing to do or let would be this one I had on my it's if you first got you a buy me a key the all big man to see how is this now I use so near and just bring this just that Charin Rick you don't want my friend saying to you show wait yeah it probably makes me just win. One night, sunshine, it's be ready to spend it's all and hope and the hope knows where those is not the way to more is don't say to with me well even a what you I the big because they're not too bad some bad fun before you're first you have got my tomorrow I bring the second out so I'm looking unless you unless you access the heaven you can see show the right guys you have to fill it out you gotta turn it out fill it out as long as you do I saw what I want to do so I would explain to us we found the my 7 to actually positive 7 hatches. Cabin all just work too. The cabin work. Oh, nice with 2 4 with 4 1 hat. What's the dismay? It's a separate house. Up on the left and the right into 2 minus 4 is to they are up to let's try 2 9 now 3 7 is 3 S K 7 is good. People, 20. We don't know you all about it. Let all God home with 20. Oh, the thing where these rights of sway. Okay, so max so but 325 equals m plus 9 to the other power. Oh, now and a rainbow it's the 5th pair. So now I'm here at a and laugh and he will cheat. 'Cause I want a big roof 25 with 5 and I'm with 5. Keep it 5. So and do and I should have made her. So that's a 1C. And let's get dear. Probably oh, that's all I do. We chance 6.5 the third